The best way to expose your students to complex syntax is through the books they read and the books you read to them. This is because the syntax in text is more varied than what we use in everyday conversation. For example, authors use syntactic structures like passive voice and lengthy sentences with multiple clauses. We can maximize the read-aloud experience by being intentional about activities and conversations we have about the book. In our course, Meaningful Read-Alouds for Vocabulary and Oral Language Comprehension, we cover several techniques that support syntax development, including asking open-ended questions and accountable talk. When you ask open-ended questions about a story or content area text, you encourage students to use more complex syntax in their answers because those questions require more than a one-word response. Open-ended questions also create an opportunity for you to respond to student answers in a way that scaffolds syntax development by probing for more information and restating student responses in more complex sentences. Accountable talk and other sentence stems provide students with scaffolds that encourage them to speak in more complex sentences, often with more sophisticated vocabulary. We can explicitly teach syntax by studying mentor sentences from books we read aloud. Mentor sentences are sentences taken from a text to use as a model for instruction and highlight aspects of language. Analyzing, deconstructing, and imitating the structure of these complex sentences is a great way to help children develop more complex syntax in their oral and written language. Download our Sentence Deconstruction resource. You can learn more about sentence-level comprehension in our Reading Comprehension course, and more about writing at the sentence level in our course, Teaching Writing to K-3.